Hello everyone, welcome again my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well and remain very happy in your lives. And dear viewers, today in this video I am going to show you different ideas about new pixie cut with bangs ideas for current season. So dear viewers, if you're new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and watch my video till end because this video is full of very stylish and very useful content about short haircut ideas. So dear viewers, in this video you can see very stylish and very trendy updated collection of ideas of the short pixie haircut with bangs ideas. So dear viewers, your comments are also very valuable for me. So give me your feedback in your comment box. And also press the bell icon button because by doing this you can get my upcoming and updated new videos at time. So dear viewers, these ideas are very stylish and eye-catching that can enhance the beauty of your personality and boost up your confidence. And you can get very stylish look at your personality. So dear viewers, I suggested you to remain in touch with this amazing video for more beautiful designs and ideas and stylish ideas about short haircut, stylish haircut. Because when you watch this video till end for more designs and more stylish ideas about haircut, you will know about beautiful designs and ideas about your personality according to your desires. So dear viewers, please subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends and family members. And please thumb up for my video and subscribe my channel and also share my video if you like it. So dear viewers, your comments and your likeness are very valuable for me. So dear viewers, I always try my best to show